Hello. So last time I was stuck with the camera and my screen I had problem with the screen when I tried to get on full screen mode. I don't know why. I don't have the problem anymore, but and yeah, I was trying to scale either the window or the camera to see all the level. I think I did that, but I don't know if it's well done, but at least now you can see all the level in the window. I still don't fully grasp how the camera work, but that's why I want to have like a debug model to just move the camera and see all the levels. Cause why not just see a part of it and not see everything? And maybe I try the camera and maybe just spawning the Mario and make it jump. I don't know if I'm going to use like a physics engine or if I do my own. Why it's so slow? Okay. Yeah, so I had like a system that just toggle the game in full screen mode. It's very simple. All it does is just changing the window sub mode, that's it. And I have some math to basically scale the tile size with the window 8. So window 8 is the size of the window, the screen. And I have no idea why it takes so much time. Yeah, I know, because I changed my Rust to nightly. I think that's why. Or another nightly. Because I have like 3 nightly in my Rust, I don't know. But it's not the same target or... yeah. So yeah, the idea is that when you going to spawn... nothing is changed for the sprite. You don't need to change the die size. Die size stays 16 by 16, make perfect sense. But the window will be scaled. And basically, I think it's how you scale it, but window is like a transform component attached to it. And yeah, with the transform component, you basically, you can just move the camera or you can scale it. So that's how it works. And you also can change the origin, because origin of camera is the center, and I pick the left bottom corner. And yeah, if you go to full screen when you hit F12, you see all the modes. That's something is boring, that you see there's a border in the app, so when you're not in full screen you won't see the last tiles, but I don't think it's really a problem. I don't think you can account for it, but so yeah. No, I want to have debug modes to dezoom and to move the camera. It's not useful for the game, it's useful for me, just to learn how camera work, and also, so what I try to do. Yeah, it seemed big, but I guess it's okay. So I will add another system called move camera, and move camera, and it will, it's also take the inputs, because it will be triggered by hitting some key. I could do it with the mouse also, but I think it's a bad idea. Then doesn't need a window, it needs a camera component. So how do I get that? I get that by nothing is taking component right now. That's funny. Do I need? I don't think I need the commands because I'm not spanning anything. Let's see how you do that. Oh yes. Let's see how you. Example. Go to the. Or go to components. System. Game. There's no system in it. See, reflection scene, transform. Up, maybe up? No. Yeah, maybe up. No, no up. Scene, transform tools. I'm wondering. Yeah, I should. I lacking. I just think I'm lacking. Oh, it's OCS, yeah. ECS makes sense. Well, I think if I go to, don't need system set right now. This look perfect. And I just want to go to function and to get system so this, or you get resource you want with rest maps. It's like dependency injection, honestly. Kind of like it. But should have component maybe? Query. This is it's query. So the idea is that I think I only have one camera, so it will work. But you're doing this thing like a query, and you say what you want. So I want the components. No, I want. If I take this thing, I have a camera 2D. I think I can. Camera 2D, yes. And you want to take transform. And basically you can have with keyword, and because I don't care about the camera, I only care about the transform of the camera. It doesn't show the width here. No, it doesn't. Query, maybe query, parallel query. System closure, system power, system piping, system set. I know there's with keyword. I think I'm going to use Emacs for that query. With maybe, or just say with Rust. Let me just go on into example. Oh yeah, it's like a tuple of width. Yeah, it's a tuple of what you want to take. You have mode transform. Yes, that's what I want. Exactly what I want, basically. I want something like that. And transform, and I want camera 2D. And I don't want the other things. I think it's good. So I have the inputs. I think, yeah, I won't have the stairs, just, yeah, transform the camera. I could use interpolation to transform, to go to the left or right or plus, but I can just fix the value. I think fix the value is so good. I don't need a tuple because only one element. And now I need to go. Yeah, it's when you don't know the framework. It's actually really like the feature in Rust that you have built-in examples that you can run. I think it's so good because otherwise you have to go to the code or find a tutorial or go to the unit test. But with example, you can just. It's just a guide how to use the framework. And I just really like this feature. It's like the fact it's built-in. It's so good. Yeah, I want the keyword input, so I think, yeah, I can get around with that. Just to press a release. I actually just need to check the press, Because process release is more like you press, you change the state of something, and on release you will change the state, and then you're going to have another function that look at the state and with the state do something. But here in my case, I just can just check if one thing was pressed and just trigger the function. Probably going to be wild, because if it like 60 frame, or if I don't control the timer, it will just go right like a lot or left like a lot. So maybe I need to do that after. But for now, I think I can just do a left and right here. And left, I think it's left. Then right, right, and then I can change transform. So the trick is that because I only have, I know I can use a query single, because this thing will return like a list of components, but I know there is only one camera, so I can safely do query get single, I think, yeah, get single and single nuts, and I think this thing will just return me. That's a good question. Does it? I'm not sure it will return me that actually. Let's not transform equal. I'm actually not sure. Yeah, I also need keyboard input. And then if I do transform dot, yeah, I need to invoke it. I can I do done. What's inside it? It's a mid transform item. As word query item. Single incheck manual query singular. Yeah, but maybe I need to do transform dot zero. No, I have into. It looks like it doesn't know it's a transform. No. I'm doing something wrong maybe. Yeah. Example is like sometimes it's too poor to do something with it. Because it don't show you how you can change a component, mutate a component with hitting key, I mean. Yes, don't show you that, sadly. Maybe there. Okay, but sorry. No, they don't show you that. Yeah, I think you can go to game. And it's so common to do that. Yeah, breakout. I'm sure they do that with the breakout. They have to have an input somewhere. And keyboard input, and yeah, they just change the direction. They changed the direction, then they have to transform something, so the transform here. Yeah, that's the same thing. Why don't I have a translation? Query single nut. Yeah, it looked really similar. Exactly what I do. And then even breakouts. Breakouts. Yes, so yeah, they do a transform translation. Yeah, but you know, for velocity, because there are several things they take. Keyboard. So I think it's no. Yeah, this thing. Yeah, they have paddle transform as well. Yeah, I think I think Rust Engine is not smart enough to know what's going to be inside the query. It looks like this is the problem. Because you can use translation here. Well, it's not really a problem. You just need to go to transform and to see what you can do with it. It's not really a problem. I think maybe you can do like -10 like that. Expected you to type. I think it's up or 0. 0 maybe? Yes. Okay. And you go top. No, up maybe, up. Yes. And down. Down. And this is X. X10, -10, up is 10, and down is -10. You just need to add your system. So yeah, I think it's also printed. Let's call it move camera. Move camera. Okay, so I have a debug somewhere. Debug, yes, no. I have a, what is it called? What is it? G. Okay. Oh, it's working. It's worked once. It's worked once. And then it doesn't work. What am I doing wrong here? Ah yes, of course I'm stupid. Yeah, it's comparison is so slow. I don't. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Pretty much what I want. I actually get lucky that it's. I really want. Oh, look, what is that thing? I don't know what is that thing. Yeah, basically, I wonder how much this function is called. I don't fully. Well, I know it's fucking useless because I could maybe I could add a counter. I need to have a local variable to add a counter. Let's do the same thing for scale. Okay, I want to scale it. Like plus and minus, plus and minus. I want to scale. I think it's probably the scale. Yeah. Okay, scale. Maybe just +1. And yeah. Yeah, +1 is, yeah, +1 is, but you cannot do -1, it would make no sense. I can try, it would just make absolutely no sense. Because scale is between 0 and 1 and... it's between, yeah, it's not negative. Negative scale make no sense, I think. Well, I don't see what negative scale will do. I can understand what? Yeah, I've level. Oh, I think I'm level here. I have a debug, okay, let's remove that. Okay, so now if I hit plus, oh my god, what is this being done? Ah, yeah, because I plus the Y. Yes, that's so stupid. I need to scale the, can I just scale it, like, can I just take the scale, do like, minus, well, huh. I don't want to do, yeah, maybe that's not stupid actually. I wonder if I can do that, possible. If I can do that, I'm happy. No, I can't. No, I can't do that. It let me compile that. Ah, yeah, that's why I think. No, not compile. Doesn't like it. Well. Ah, you think? No. Why not happy about that? Manual implementation of assign. Yeah, this is what. Yeah, so it works. I can do that. Yeah. Okay. This thing. Maybe I should have a plugin for the camera. I don't know. So now I can move it. I can plus is 2. Minus. Wow. Yeah, it's maybe. I can see all the level directly. I only do. What's the transform here? Camera? I think it's too much. Go to transform. And you have. Why it's 16168? Yeah, the scale don't start with 1, that's why. 1 doesn't matter. It's too much, but let's say it's 1. And huh. Let's try that. Yeah, I'm going to spawn Mario after that. Cause I don't know. I think I should keep Mario as separate entity. Or so if I do plus now, plus, it should be minus it. Plus, yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, so I can see all the level like that. Minus, minus, minus. Well, it should be the opposite, honestly. Make it the opposite. Okay. Okay. So let's insert Mario now. Yeah, I'm wondering how I will do that. Do I add a flag struct with player, or do I make the player a resource? I'm not sure if I. Yeah, what is do it? There should have an upstate also. That's most of components are just they just this is they are the struct, so they don't keep the player. Because I don't know what I need to keep. I need to keep a little, But what is really specific about Mario? I can control it, but it's not because I can control it that it should be a resource. I can make, the score a resource, the life a resource, and I don't know actually. I don't know how I should do that. Maybe I can keep it both ways. Because Mario is the only thing to have life. It's the only thing to have coin. So it's like, what do you make a resource? What do you make a component? Mario has like a position, a transform. It's still a component in some way. I need to spawn it as a component anyway. I have absolutely no idea how. I spawn. How do we spawn the paddle, for example? Yeah, it's spawned like that, yeah. Sprite bundles, and it's add paddle and collider. It's doing everything on the setup, but I should have spawned Mario function. Maybe I just do a spawn Mario function and see what I should do with that. Yeah, spawn Mario doesn't need to be a component, it should be... I have load asset and then build map. That's a good question. Maybe I should have another startup for spawn. But build map it's already like a spawn level, you know. Why do you... Yeah. Build map. Build Mario, spawn enemies. What? Yeah, the map has no enemies, so maybe I should call spawn items or build items. But yeah, if I do a spawn, spawn items means that I'm going to do a lot of things the same function. Let's call it spawn Mario for now. It's spawn. Yeah, spawn items. But spawn items spawn everything. It spawn Mario, it spawn enemy, and it spawn collectible. Even if maybe the collectible... I wonder if the... I don't have collectible here. Maybe I need to add it later. Yeah. Yeah, the map doesn't give me the collectible. It's too bad. If I go to level 1, doesn't have the collectible here. World 1. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it actually does. Doesn't show the coin, yeah. Maybe there's not on the first level, that's possible. Maybe this is not, maybe. I just love the world. This level is my favorite one of Mario. It's like you playing the game. It was insane at the time. You're playing the games and you enter the pipe and it's like a different game. It's the same game, but everything's different but look the same. Because all they did is just change the color. That's all the smart they are. Because they don't have resources, it was like they had to pack every tiles. It's the same tiles, you just change the color of the tile. This coin. Yeah, this coin here like that. And something. So if I take the first level, I have two like that, and when Am I missing one tiles? It looked like I'm missing white tiles, one tiles. Yeah, no? Yeah, I'm missing the bottom tiles. Look at that. I'm missing that. Huh. Ah, yes, I'm missing the tiles. Am I missing a tiles because I don't show it? No, I show it. Yeah, I show it, but I'm missing one. The last one was... well, I can do a fast trick to show it. Yeah, I also missing... There is like... It's like bigger, you know. I ignore some... I don't know how much tiles there is. I cannot count it. It's impossible. It's impossible to count. It's 1, 2... Yeah, maybe they should tell you. Mario... I don't even know. Is that Super Mario Bros? Yeah, Super Mario Bros. Map tiles. With height. Pixel. How much it is? Oh, that's good. That's all the tiles that I need. Yeah. No, there's only one up. We're missing the one down. Yeah, but doesn't give you from all the level. I don't need that. I just need to add like the bottom one. Well, maybe I do that later. It doesn't matter for now. Just spawn Mario first. Spawn items. So I should have a spawn items here. Spawn items. Why not? We just spawn Mario and spawn items, but. Yeah, definitely. It's not cost. I think, yeah, but I would just call it spawn Mario. Make more sense. Spawn Mario. Then I need. I think I need the game resource. I probably need dice handle because I'm going to just spawn a sprite first. Spawn a sprite is like very easy. You just do spawn and sprite sheet bundle. Get a sprite, a transform, global transform, texture. Get texture atlas in it. Sprite sheet bundle. Yeah, I think the trick is that you give an ID of your texture atlas, so I need to get it there. Maybe it's not the same, I don't know. If I go to asset here, let's go to assets. I have entities, entities, sprite, tiles. I have sprite and tiles, yeah, it's sprites. It's definitely sprites. Font, what is font? I don't need entities. All I need is the tiles and the sprite. That's all I need. That's pretty good. I don't need to to go very deep with it. That's all I need. So I need sprite. Maybe I should. Yeah, let's keep it sprite. But I need to load the sprite asset. I don't think I do. Yeah, I don't. I have a texture handle for texture tiles, so this is the first thing I need to do. I need to load the assets. So I'm wondering because the trick is that you load the asset and you basically you insert resource. Yeah, but the trick is that you're going to insert a resource called tiles under, and tiles under is just keep an ID. That's all it does. It just keep an ID. And yeah, maybe just call it sprite. Let's just call this sprite handle, and then you have textures. It's the same things. And load assets, so camera, it's load the texture. Shouldn't be called texture anymore. Well, it should be called maybe texture tiles, texture atlas handle. Then you add this thing. Yeah, maybe I can do it in once, or maybe I can just. Yeah, I think I'm. This is completely separate. I think. I don't know if I should maybe. I only have 2 tiles. Maybe I just keep tiles separate in their own struct or own resource, or I just make another, like, a struct called tiles or called texture handle. I just add the sprite and the tiles, and they're in the same resource. No, I'm going to keep them separate. And all I need to do is, well, I think the simple thing to do is just to rename texture handle to texture. I don't need this one, so that, and you do texture tile. No. Emacs, come back, Emacs. No, I don't want to do that. I fucked up something. Yes, hop, and then you do tiles. Same things for sprite, and you do sprite instead. Sprite, and you're going to add this up as a resource, the handle for sprites. It's not, yeah. So you add this thing, texture atlas, texture. It should be texture tiles atlas handle. No. Well, the texture tiles. It doesn't really matter. I don't know. Tiles handle in the end. It doesn't really matter. Even if the names are fucked up, they're only going to be fucked up here, so it doesn't really matter. I don't want to deal with that. Not happy about something. Yeah, texture tile atlas. Atlasis. Why atlasis? Let's start again. Why do you call it atlasis? Texture. Oh, I don't need to change it. Okay. Yeah, Sprite here. Sprite. Up. Texture handle. And then texture atlas. And then texture handle. Plus. Okay. Then you insert it and do a sprite. There you go. Now I add this in memory for the sprites. Now my Mario needs it. And so it needs a sprites handle resource. Why do I need game? Yeah, maybe I need it, maybe I don't. We'll see. That's sprite handles. And I just want to spawn Mario, so spawn a sprite. Commands spawn. Sprite sheet. So yeah. Spawn is changed quite a bit. They just It just take. Why do I do insert here? I could just do. I think I can just do a spawn a tuple rather than an insert. Yeah, I think, yeah. Yeah, I'll check if it's work after that. I think the way to do is that you spawn a tuple and then you do a sprites bundle, sprite sheet bundle, and this initialization of it, so field structures, yes. So you have the magic trick default. And so you need to change the texture atlas. So you just take a dice handle, should be called sprite. And you take the first one, you get the ID, the first one. Then you transform. Yes, it's pretty much the same actually. Let's put 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0, not 0. I have no idea where it's going to be. Is that middle of the screen? Is that bottom left? Is it going to be show? Don't need that. Visibility, don't need that. I need the sprite, of course. Yeah, the sprite is just an. That's. Yeah, because now I have texture atlas sprite and index map. Okay. Yeah. So what does the sprite sheet bundle take? It takes a texture atlas, I give it, and the sprite. Yeah, the sprite is just an index. Yeah, it's very smart. Because it will build. I think I'm kind of wrong with that because I just copy paste, but I didn't change the this thing. I think I would be wrong. If I take the sprite here, It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, I think it's 16 by 16. Yeah, I think it's 16 by 16. 16, 16. There's no border. I don't think there's a border. Well, let's say there's no border. And yeah, I probably should build a map of number to a name to number, like a really big map. Yeah, I should probably do that. Yes, probably, maybe here. I already have a map to index. I should have probably another hash map. A big hash map to map the name with. Yeah, I think I don't know if it should be like a map. This is the map for the level, the text file I load. Maybe it should be an enum. I don't know if it should be an enum to number. I can do an enum to number, I can do a name to number. I guess it's better to do an enum, but yeah, let's do an enum for that. Enum sprite. This is a terrible name. Sprites map type. Sprite tiles. Tiles maybe. Tile, I don't know how to call it. Sprite tile. Sprite tile. Yes, I don't know. Yeah, it should be. The thing it should be in order, and this is very annoying because I need to fill all the elements. Because if I just want to play with Mario right now, if I'm doing that, I need to fill all the possible elements. Otherwise, I need to say that it's going to map to 0 or not. Because Rust mapping to number. I think by default it's already. Maybe I should add it. Yeah, I think I had the number. Okay. I think I'm going to add the number anyway. So if I take Mario neutral, let's say Mario neutral. I don't know if the variant should be. Variant should have you pick, yeah. Mario neutral. And it's like, so if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 or 6, it would be 5 times 16 plus 0. 5 times 16 plus 0. Is the variant like that? No. Where's the variant? It's equal in this case, yeah. Make perfect sense. Okay. Let's say Mario, so yeah, neutral is specific because neutral can be, there's no right, you know. I should have, yeah. Mario neutral makes sense, but calling right make no sense because they're flipping the sprites to say that Mario go to right or left. Yeah, that's how you keep like otherwise they should have like 2 times the sprites, but they just flip it. So maybe Mario 1, Mario 2, Mario 3. Walk, run? I don't know. I think, does it, I don't know, the animation. Yeah. Is there only neutral in 1-1, 1-2? I think run, 1-2, and then you have this, I don't know. This one is strange. I don't know which animation it is. Ah, it's when it's sliding? I don't even know. Oh, when it's starting to jump? I don't know. Well, I figure out later. Only need the run now. Okay. I sprite tiles and now I spawn it. Index map, and well, the index map is basically, so it's just the numbers that I put here. It will sprite tile and then Mario 1-1 or Mario neutral. Sprite tile, Mario neutral. Okay, this is the variant I want. Not happy. Mismatch expected font. Don't like it for some reason. Yes. But I want to edit a player here, because I want to struct say player. Nothing, it's like an empty struct. And I just say player here. I think I can do that. Okay. Yes, so like that. Okay, so no, it's not happy about that. Yeah, I know it's an enum. Yeah, but yeah, okay. Maybe I need. Yeah, can I convert my enum into a number? Do I need to do something specific? Maybe I can. I think I can cast it as U-size. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure it's a good idea. Maybe it will work. Sprite under 0, so it's not appear that way. Rest island and sprite. Let's check it. That's sprite move occur. Okay, there's a move here. This sprite, it's a number. I have a move occur for the 0. Oh yes, of course, I move what's inside it. I need to clone it. It's just a number, so it's okay. Of course. Okay. So why not we show? No, actually we show something. Yeah. I just need to add my spawn mine. I think I already did it. Yeah, it will show something. I think. So it's spawn the sprite. I have the sprite. Let's try to run it. it's crashing. It's crashing. Call option unmap or none. Where? There. What is this thing? It's called unmap or none. On the pure map? Yeah, why? Tyson. Oh yes, I think I did something wrong here. I forgot to change. Yeah, Tyson, that's correct. Yeah, I need sprite handle, but sprites handle. No, I fucked up the name somewhere. I don't know where, but I fucked up the name. That's funny that it crashed on the build map. I think it should crash on the spawn. Okay, I don't know why. I see the coin now. Why do I see the coin? What? Did I see the coin before? No, it showed me the coin and that's funny. No, that's what I want, but wasn't doing that before. Why does it now? What the hell is going on? I'm pretty sure it wasn't like that before. Why? What did I change? Make no sense. Take a tiles handle. Take a sprite handle. It doesn't spawn my Mario. Mario is not spawned. Should be spawned now. Where's Mario? Maybe it's spawned after or before. If I just don't spawn this one, I don't spawn the map. Maybe there is an index that make it spawn on top of it or under, I don't know. Cause they only spawn one. But I think does that index make it? Yeah, it's there. Mario is there. Okay, definitely a problem with it. First, it's not shown. And maybe it's the transform that needed. Maybe the transform should have like a 2. So yeah, it's spawn actually, but yeah, the computation it doesn't work. Let's try with 15. Maybe there's padding of 1. I don't know. Let's try that. Yeah, I should. Yeah, let's come up again. Why is this now? Still doesn't know. Show them up, please. And maybe try 17. Yeah, maybe there is a padding that I don't see. Maybe it's not 16. I think it was 16, but okay. Why it doesn't show the map anymore? That's so strange. It doesn't show the map. It either show the Mario or the map, but not both. I only changed the Z index. That's all I did. I have no idea why. And then it doesn't show anything. Doesn't show the map, doesn't show anything. Doesn't show the map. So strange. You think it's the 2? Oh. It must be. It's... I don't know. Yeah, maybe the camera is also has a Z index and I don't know. Yeah, it's yes, I understand why. That makes perfect sense. I'm not really in 2D. I'm in 3D actually. And does that camera, like if I'm 2D and that I just zoom like that, I mean, I should. That means that every element. I think when it's like the Z index go toward me. So when the lower in the index, the farther it is. So if I start with 10, I just need how many indexes do I need? One for the enemy, one for Mario. I think that's it. Maybe in the cloud more. I think it just need 2 actually. And if I go, let's say it's 3, and then, well, let's say it's 2, and I just say the map is 0, and yeah, I think it will show everything, and I think the Mario will be drawn over the map because it's closer to the Z index. Not sure what you see. No, my intuition is not good. It's the opposite. Yeah, no, yeah, it's the opposite. Surprise. Yeah, if the camera is closer than me, is closer, then the 0 should be the really far and should be not. Yeah, it doesn't. Maybe I don't spawn my Mario anymore. Yeah, I don't. Of course. I think my intuition was good. It's should be 0 and 1. That's where again. Okay, it's draw the Mario here. Definitely have a problem with that. Yeah. Maybe there is a padding, but like maybe it's 1-1. Let's try that. 1, 1. I don't know. Need to be some, of course. That's not what it takes? Oh, it's an option. Padding offset. Padding offset. What's the difference between padding and offset? Is it padding ignore things or I don't know. What's the difference between padding and offset? Padding is like. Oh, I see. No, it's just padding, no offset. So it's an option of vec2. So I wonder if I can do that. No. Maybe I can do a vec thing to that, but let's just do vec2. So vec2 1 no offset. New. There's no new. Are you kidding with me? Is that a tuple? Maybe it's a tuple. It's a tuple struct? I don't even know what it is. Yeah, that's the. Maybe it's a XY, okay. This is the one. I can do the one, but I can do like one. Does it make no sense to do that? But I think I can do like one. Cannot do that. Like 2 1 1. Okay. Yeah. It still doesn't like it. Still need this. There you go. No. No. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Maybe 15. If I put that. Yeah. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Let's watch the sprite. Sprite. I should test with the first one. No, doesn't work. If I do 0. I should also see if it's the correct width for 8. If there is an offset. Won't work for the padding, I don't think so. Because padding is between ties and offset is. Maybe it's not the case. Yeah, let's look correct. And if I do 16, if I do 1, where's the 1 with me? Yeah, obviously. Is this padding? I think maybe offset is. Maybe it's the opposite. Yeah, it's hard to see there. If I say 15. Maybe this padding only for the y-axis and not the x-axis. It looks like there's no padding to me. Not sure. So 15 is this item? This item? Is this item? It's 16 makes sense. 16. Is it more like 15? I'm surprised this is this item. I think when you go, I don't know, I don't. Yeah, it's unpredictable. I don't know if there's padding offset. You cannot see on the image because the color is the same and it's hard to know. It's really hard to know. This is the blue one. How is that possible? Blue one? I say how many? 30. Is that 30? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is 0 to 15. So it's always -1. And it's 15, and it's 16, so let's go to 30. I think this one should be 31, not 30. And it's 30. Why is 30? It should be 31. 1, 2, 3. Maybe because there's offset calculation wrong. I don't know. If I do 29. Wow. No, this offsetting one. This thing is wrong. This thing is clearly wrong. If I put none here. This is maybe it's 15 and not 16. It should be 16, make no fucking sense. The size should be 16. Oh, it's not. I don't know. Yeah. Fuck. No, this I'm offset somewhere. I don't know. Let's try it there. I think the padding is the last one. Or the offset the last one. I don't know if the padding is like... Why not happy? Values here have to move. What are you talking about? Oh. I moved the texture handle. It let me do that. I will complain after, I think. No, still doesn't why. So bad. Yeah, I don't know. You think it's 15, not 16? Or 14? Maybe it's 10? Maybe it's 8, maybe it's 10, I don't know. There's also the smallest one. So even if my grid will be broken, but I don't know. Yeah, yeah, I don't think it's correct. I need to know. Some of them are correct, but like the Marios that take 2 tiles, how am I going to deal with that? I don't know. And you can see that this thing they are not in the same plane. Oh. Maybe the image is It's not good actually, this padding. Maybe I should find another tile. Super Mario Bros. 1. No, I don't want to deal with that. 8 times 16 sprite. No, I say Super Mario Bros. 1. I don't want to deal with that. Yeah, of course I could build myself a grid and say all the coordinates of the tiles, like tremendous amount of work uh, for nothing in the end. That's why I want to find one that fits. Because it's a lot of work and it's really boring to do that. Extremely boring. Where's this one? Yeah, I don't think it's, yeah, maybe it's enough. This one is look pretty good. No? I don't know if I don't have Bowser, for example. This is one. I don't have all the item. No, I don't have all the items. Yeah, I have color. I don't care about the color. It's better than mine, but it's annoying. It's annoying. Yes, of course. You can see that this one is good because you can. No, maybe it's not that good actually. This one is horrible because you need like I don't know, a JSON file or anything like that to say the coordinates of each tile. Otherwise, you have to guess it, and it's horrible. It's an hour show to do that. This one is kind of pretty good actually. I'm sure they're 16 by 16, but they don't have all objects. They don't have Bowser. And they have colors that is useless. They don't have all objects. And it's actually not even the sprite, it's the... I don't know. It's kind of horrible. Yeah, I need to build a map to map everything. That's horrible, I don't want to do that. Yeah, you see, they take half of it. This one, take half of it. That's why I was, why it doesn't show up? Take half of it. And that this one, they take four space or two? Yeah, they take 3 space. This one take 3 space. So my grid coordinate doesn't make any sense because it will skip one. Yeah, it's horrible. It's really horrible. It is horrible. Yeah, I could, but it's just like that. How many size do they take? They don't. This thing take 2 size, but this thing, how many size? It's at 16. It's 24 for me, but maybe I'm wrong. Look at this thing. Yeah, you need coordinate with it. If you have the coordinate, you can map anything, but you cannot map with a normal grid without. It's impossible. You need to do it manually. I don't want to do that. Push JSON file. Spreadsheet resource. Look at that. What am I supposed to do with this spreadsheet? Eat it? I can eat it, I think. I don't know. Maybe I can build my own one. Extremely annoying to do that. Extremely annoying. Oh. Maybe I can use this code actually. The assets. Dice. Oh, I took this dice. It's enough for him. And about the character GIF. Why a GIF? Yes. And does it build I think it builds JSON himself probably. Yeah, okay, he did it himself. Oh, but maybe I can use that. How do I use this JSON file? Frames. Yeah, it's going to use. Yeah. It's not that bad, but maybe common. Tools. No. Yeah, because it has to load this level. No, his sprite. It loads this file. And then create objects. It's just basically create an object with this information. That's what it does. Yeah. Maybe I need to do that also. I don't know. Honestly, don't know. I don't know. Let's look at that. I think it's enough. I don't even need this thing. Is that better than the other one? Yes, everything, I think. Maybe it looks like it's easy to use. It looks like it's easy to use. Even if... yeah. Maybe it's easy to use, I don't know. Yeah. I probably can extract his code on it. I could extract his code. Let me clone it. Let me clone this project. 3 years ago. Maybe there's better things, I don't know. If I clone it, I can extract. I just want to extract where is the tiles and where is the items. That's all I want to. Let's clone it. Let's clone this thing. What am I doing? Okay. I need to add an element here. Go my Super Mario. Ref yes. Ref yes. Add it to the project. Sub. This being. I need to copy this asset. What is in the font? Okay. I don't even know if it's going to load a GIF. Probably going to do that at this point. Tires. Sprite. Maybe I should skip this. Maybe it's better actually. Yeah, but I need to do manually I need to do manual work. And this thing, maybe I can extract it. Actually, it's not. It's the bad. It's bad color. It's not a good color. Maybe I do it manually. I think I can do it manually. Actually, yeah. I think I'm going to do it manually. I don't even know how to do that manually. I do it manually. Because it's not it's not the same color. This is not the real one. It's like HD. Yeah, I cannot use the grid. That's basically the trick. I cannot use the grid. I need to create an empty one, and I need to create an empty atlas and map texture. I don't know. Oh. Size. I'm doing a from grid here. From grid. I cannot do that. What does the from grid is doing? It push a rect into sprites. So it creates a new vector. It will be a vector of it will be a vector of rect, and then it do that, and it just takes you atlas sprite. I think I get it. And you keep the index like that. If I do just so vect new doesn't make sense. If I do new empty and then I push, maybe I need to do a new empty as a texture, but does not have any individual sprite specified. Yeah. And then you can do add sprite, maybe add texture. Textures push rects. That texture push rect. Add a sprite to the list of texture. Yes, that's what I want to do. Maybe I can spawn an empty one and do add texture with the code on it I want. I think that's what I need to do actually. If I do a let texture texture atlas and then I do texture atlas new. There's no new? I should have a new, no? There's a new there from grid and new empty. What is the dimension? So that's a good question. Does it calculate the dimension Because, yeah, it's a size. Dimension is a size. I calculate this with the tie size plus current padding time grid size. Yeah, because it do all the map. I have no idea. I think it's 1616, but maybe it's more, maybe it's less, I don't know. I'm not even sure it should be precise. Yeah, it still look like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuck this thing. Yeah, this thing take. It's annoying. Like, look at this. It's very hard to know how much it take. Yeah, in the. Yeah, it's like it take 2 tiles, and this one's like take one half of the tiles. Yes, very hard. And there's only one of them that's very annoying. Because this one take 2 tiles, that's for sure. So it will be. I think it will be. If I think by 8 make more sense, because there's also this thing, so it should be by 8. Yes, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, and then this make 14, and then 15, 14 half, and you do 14 half times 2, 29. I think it's 29 for the Y. 29 times 8. 29 times 8. I'm not sure. And then 29 times 8. Does it want? You want a vec2, of course. Vec2u. I hate this shit so much. Then you need to add it individually. Tiles texture atlas dot. You have add texture, and it take a rect. So we have a rect here. Rect new. Rect bevy matrix. Perfect. And a rect new. Yes. Let's say it's 0, 0, 16, and then 16 for the first one. No. Rectus, that doesn't take that. Yeah, it takes 0. Yeah, 3 float. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What about add texture? Yeah, it's a rect. Oh, no, it should be correct. Yes, of course. But no, what are you? Cannot borrow ASCII table. Why are you trying to borrow? Can borrow type texture atlas ASCII table. Of course. Yeah, it should add one tile. Let's add second one to 16. And I think I did, no, yeah, 16. And then if I take my, what is the name of the, I don't know. You see, my first Mario won't be Mario, it will be an enemy. It will be an enemy. Yeah, it will be an enemy. Of World 2. It will be, oh, no. I think, World, yeah, it's the underground one. It will be, are you kidding with me? Ah, there's none of them on the underground one. Yeah, maybe there's, yeah, maybe. Yeah, it will be a Buzzy Beetle. It's Buzzy Beetle. It will be a Buzzy Beetle. I don't think the name changed by the color. Maybe it does. Maybe it does. A Buzzy Beetle from... it will be a Buzzy Beetle. Okay. Buzzy Beetle. Buzzy Beetle. 1, 2, 3. And 0, 1, 2. Let's get rid of that. I don't think I even need that, but whatever. So I had this thing, and now I insert my Super Mario. It will be Buzzy Beetle 1, and it should show me my Mario as Buzzy Beetle. We'll carry on. Okay. Oh, fuck me. Is Beetle with 2 L or 2 T? Buzzy Beetle 2 E? Like that. I don't even know what beetle mean. Ah, un cafard. Beetle, yeah. It doesn't look like a beetle to me. Is it 2Z? I don't think there is 2Z. Yes, there is. Okay. Index autopan is 3, but the index is 11. There's an error. Index is wrong. You want to? Yeah, you want to? Oh, is that? I don't know. Oh, yes, no. Ah, what am I doing? I'm changing the tie. I should change the sprite. What am I doing? Oh my god. No, I'm not changing the white one. Maybe that's why it wasn't working. No, I need an... No, it's still correct, but yeah, I fucked up this thing now. Yeah, it's the wrong one. tiles and sprite. Fucking stupid. Why am I doing, add texture? Attends, je fais une connerie. Yeah, that's the end thing that should be done is the add the texture. Texture atlas adds tight texture. That's correct. And then sprite. Where's the sprite now? Oh, yeah. Yeah, of course. Need to, No, it's correct. It's just the name I fucked up, but the rest is correct. Yeah. Because the name I fucked up. This is sprite, it's correct, but that's so bad. It should be spritey, and it should be texture. It should be item or dice. Should be dice. Okay. Sorry again. Okay, let's show me correctly this one. Okay, that's good. Let's yeah, you need to spawn it in the correct order, you need to calculate all the things, you need to loop it, so you need a big vector. It should be a static array because it's never going to change. It should be like thing like that, so that I can for loop to it and add it. Should be extracted into its own file and on the configuration and but I can keep still doing my things in the main because there's not a lot of code yet and I don't need to refactor it now. But yeah, I will just move it into an array. Where is it? Yeah, we move that into an array. Yes, I'm so wondering if the problem is that the array should be really in the correct place and will be complicated. Because I cannot index them correctly. Yeah. I wonder if because I can just do a static array, but it won't help me. Because I need to do a static array with dimension, and then I need to do hash map or a sprite with index number. I need to do 2 times the work. It's a little bit complicated. Because I need to add. I think I can. Yeah. Once I do the RM, yeah, I'm just going to do the RM. I think it's better. Static or const? Yeah, let's do a static. Tyson. So we will call entity sprites dim equal missing type static. Wow, what's going on? Why? Why not happy about it? Ah, I absolutely need it. Yeah. Provide type for static variable. Spoil him. Also. No, I absolutely need. Oh. It's so smart. It's crazy. It's just so smart. Yes. So I need 4 of them actually. Ah, it's like a tuple of 4. No. Yeah, the type is a tuple of 4 dimension. So it's something like that. It's something like float. But yeah. No, it's the how many, but it. Yeah, it's like I don't even know how to say a tuple type. Can I say? I think I can say that actually. F64. 4 times. Can I say that? Yes, I can. And it's maybe it should be. I don't know if I also put. Maybe I don't need it. Maybe I don't need it. Yeah. So 16. Yeah, maybe I should use constant variable in it, like width and all width or beacon to say if it. I don't know. Like small ties. Medium and big. Big is 32. Small is 16. Do I need that? Or do I say 16? Oh, I don't know. I don't think it matters that much. Yeah, maybe I should. I don't know. I don't need it. I don't need that. What's more? I think it's more with it. accepted array with a fixed size of 1 element from one with 3 elements. Yeah. Can you guess it? I think it can guess it like that now. I don't know. Yeah. I wonder if maybe I should put like more information in it, like the tile index, the name. Is that... I don't know if it's very useful. Yeah, but maybe I should put the name with it. If I put the name with it, but maybe if I put the name, I can create an hash map later. It shouldn't be an hash map. It should be sprite, eternal sprite object or thing like that. Hash map is stupid. No. No. I wonder if I can detable it, so if I should do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. It's F32. Yeah, there will be copies, so don't need to clone and do anything. Okay. If I can run that. Yeah, manually. There's still the problem that yeah, maybe I should build a static hash map. Maybe build a static hash map makes more sense. The problem is that I build a static hash map and I need to loop it into order, because when I add the elements, it will create an index that corresponds to it. So it's not like a real hash map. It's like a hash map but in order, but you can do that in Rust, so it's not a problem. But yeah, if I do like start it with index 4. Yeah. Start it with index 4, for example. Yeah, I map the... Yeah, so I need 2 struct. I can do 2 struct like that. That's pretty good also, because once this thing is done, it's useless information. I don't need a name, I need the enum, and I just create 2 structures that just map every time. And I need just to keep the order, and I'm done actually. But the problem is I need to feed everything. That's the annoying part. I need to feed absolutely everything, otherwise it won't work. Yeah, I need to feed everything. Yeah, the sprite work. Open entities here. Yeah, I probably need to do the same things for tiles later, because I don't think it will work actually. Yeah, yeah, the most 16 by 16, most of them. But some are big, some are not. But yeah, I need to do tile smaller here. Maybe I should call it tiers. Tiers and Tian and TV. Because I don't want to repeat everything, that's annoying. Tiers. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of complex. There's no other way actually. Because you need, for example, you take the first one, do tiers like that, and it's still 0. Huh. No, 0 should stay 0. It should be obvious. And is this thing should be obvious? Yeah, I think it should. Yeah. I want anything doing complex math in there is 64 and 30. Let's do Python here. So 96. How much do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Can you do that? No, it's a joke now. I'm surprised I cannot do that. Huh? Do I need that? No? Oh. Ah yeah, it's split. No. No, it should be joined. Why doesn't work? What? Why doesn't move? Ah, it need to be string, absolutely. I cannot join number. I hate this shit so much. Yeah, I need to do for E in A. Still E. Okay, print it. Yeah. It's just, yeah. I imagine I have to do that for all the world. You're you fucking horror. I cannot skip it, that's the worst part. I just cannot skip it. I need to go to the Mario to and then yeah I can skip it. I can say I don't want the other, but I need to at least go there. At least. It's really bad. It's feel terrible. It's feel terrible. Why is my TS? Why is not appearing on my TS here? What the mismatch type? Oh, fucking. Okay. I just love Python. I love Python. It's just such a messy language. It's the exact opposite of Rust. It feels so different to work in Python. Does it work if I do that? It doesn't. F-string in my list, perhaps you forget comma? Or do I have too much comma? No. F-string formats. I don't need that. Why did I have that? Oh yeah. But you know, if it's going to interpret it or need to end there. And I need put 0. No? It's not allow. F-string single. Fuck you. Fuck you! Like that. Okay. Then I need 0 and then TS and TS. And I need this print one there. Okay, copy that. Pretty much the same for yeah, and that's where I'm wrong because it's not TS, it's TM. TM it's 24 and the last one 1, 2, 3, 4 they are TM. TM. Imagine this is the first row, I need to do that for everything. Oh, is that exactly? Oh, I'm not even sure. It's yeah. No, because I need to skip one. That's the hour. First row. Yeah. Let's see 1, 2. And 1, 2. So I don't need. That's actually a good question. Look at this thing. This thing broke everything. Again, it's half and half and half. Oh, is that? Is that half, half, half? 1, 2. Half, so half. It is complex. Yes, I don't know. No, it looked like it take only one. Does it take two? The fire. Yes, I think it take two. So I need one less, I think. Oh, yeah, this one get fucked. I hate this shit. Yeah, it take two. It take two. The fire take two. So where's the fire here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's there. And everything after that is wrong. Because the fire take two of them, so it must skip one. So it's like fire. Yeah. And I don't need the TM because I already take them. And then they use 3 TS after. This should have 2 TS after, not 3. Not 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I think I didn't skip the right one. Yeah, that skipped them. Oh, does that skip? It should skip this one. It should skip this one and go to TB on the Y, on the width. And I think it's kind of over. I don't need that. And third row. Third row is the exact same as the first one. Of course I forget the Y. I forget the Y, yeah. Of course I forget the Y. Y is 16 first. So it should be 16 here. Ah. Wait. Why? Oh, because it's a fucking zero. For sure, man. It's good. So it's the same. Ah, it's exactly the same. Okay. Let's try. The last one should be. Yeah, how do I know the last one? Yeah, I need to name all of them. But the last one should be If I con them, I need to con them now. Yeah, I can con them like that, but maybe it's actually will con them like that, no? Scenario, I don't know. I don't know, just guess it. Yes, just guess it. And U size. Toggle full screen, yeah, so we take this thing. Don't know. Where's my spawn? Mario. I'm going to take. Yeah. Yeah. Of course, I can just send a number. Let's send 32, for example. Yeah, once this thing is done, it will be more interesting. Because this is annoying, but need to be done. Okay. why I have two of them? Oh, I did something more. It's the the fish. I have two of them. Oh. 16, 16. So the fish is. Where is the fish? There. How many do I put? It's too big, that's for sure. TS is 16. Fish is there. Fish is there. 2. It should be there. 48, 16. 48x 16. And I have 2. Why do I have 2 of them? No? Why? Why do I have 2 of them? No, I think it's the width is too big. That's my only explanation. I don't understand why I have 2 of them. What did I change again? 32. It is not 32. The index. This is not 32. It's supposed to be. Oh yes, I don't know. Not 32. Yes, that's correct. I take 1. Wow, it's not even there one. Huh? It's not even there, that's so strange. Something I think is more. Yeah, spy dim 0, 1. Let's go to 16 for the X. Then 16y is, yeah, it should work. Why it doesn't work? There's nothing to do with that. Why does it doesn't work? It's so strange. I'm only adding the last last one. No. Side effect. Add texture. Texture atlas add. Sprite texture. Yeah, should be, yeah. Je sais pas. Why? So strange. Can I? Yeah, yeah, but no, I just have the handle. I don't have the. It's not a component. If I do. No, not the handle. This thing. Ah, c'est pas débuggable. Yeah. And I have the second one, 16, 16 for the size. And is that black on black? Oh, no, it shouldn't be black. Oh, maybe it was the black one. But no. It's XY. X. It's so strange. Make no sense. Make no fucking sense at all. I don't think it drew the black one. It should draw this thing. That makes no sense. No, it doesn't show. It just doesn't show for. This is, I don't know why. Wait. Yeah, it's like it's never had. But you see, it's out there. This is really strange. What am I doing? Yeah. No? I don't know. I have the second one here. It's like. Yeah, okay. It skip one. It go to 0 to 4. There's a skip somewhere. It's like it's adding an empty rect. It makes absolutely no sense. Why is it doing that? You can see I don't add empty rect here. Or maybe I add 2 times the same things. What in the hell is going on? What is this thing? No, I have 3 of them. I'm doing something wrong. I'm doing something wrong. like terribly wrong. Yeah, I don't know. It's min max. Oh, maybe it's not the size. I think so. Maybe no. I don't think it's the size. Yeah. I don't think it's the width. It's the coordinates and the size. It's like 2 points. Is is it 2 points? This is so bad if it's 2 points. That means I need to reverse everything. Oh my god, no, why do it? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? No, it's not with 8, it's 2 points. Oh my. Yeah. Why doing that? I don't know. Well, does it really matter? I can just say it's with an 8, and this is, yeah, I have to do plus the max and the width every time. I can still do it my way. I just need to, when you say this thing, I need to say this is the 0, then the dim. I think it's 2 points. I need to do at its stats plus 2. And let's see if it's working. I don't know, it's probably a common something like that. Yeah, that was it. Yeah, makes sense now. Okay, it's the bubble here. Okay, I think I stop here. Bye bye, guy.